Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 in the Allure specification. So this car we originally sold from you and have taken it back in part exchange. It's been serviced by Howard's and it comes with this lovely large panoramic glass roof, 18-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior, the radio features CD player and Bluetooth, but on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. Let's have a look around. This car is only £20 a year to tax. It comes with this 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine, gives you 120 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 14,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.